Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to register into Gemini app. So in order to register or create an account, all you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, open up a web browser. On the web address bar type in www.gemini.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. And if you're using a mobile application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same, so make sure to follow it. So from here you need to go ahead and tap the sign up button located in the top right hand side corner. If you already have an account, then you can simply go ahead and type in your credential and then log in into your account. So in order to create an account, you'll be asked to provide in your email address first of all. After you're done with that procedure, moving on, you'll have to go ahead and select the account type, and once you're done selecting the account type, you'll need to give a full name. That is your first name and then your last name, and then your email address, your phone number, and your location as well. After you've done that, make sure to go to the terms and conditions as well. And if you're sure about the information that you've provided, then click the create account button located right at the bottom. Next page is going to ask you to verify your email address. So the verification code will be sent through your email. So open up your email and then copy the verification code and then paste it right over here. You'll be directed to the home page indicating that you've successfully created your account, and from then onwards you can begin exploring your Gemini app. So in this way you can register or create an account on Gemini app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.